So here we have a Manitowoc Neo Series ice maker. Upon arrival, they had informed me that the red wrench light was on, wasn't making any ice. They tried to reset it, but it kept failing. But today, as you can see, it's been making ice. So I'm gonna remove it. Unfortunately, they had reset it, so I won't be able to see if it's giving any error codes. So I'll replace it, see if any of the components are okay, or check out the condenser, see if it's clogged up. We're in an area where it's really dusty, so I'm gonna take a look at that, and then we'll go from there. Here we are. The pin is off, and I did suspect an issue that I know mostly it was going to be the condenser. So that condenser is plugged up 100%. So what we're going to do is go ahead and blast it with nitrogen, and then we'll go from there. I don't like how hot that compressor is though. Most likely from the condenser being plugged up, but go ahead and take them care of. Clean it all out, make it look nice and pretty. But this is a good customer of mine, so we'll make sure that it looks nice. And you know, I've had an issue before about a year ago when I was out here, and that condenser was always getting clogged up because of the area that we're in, more like a warehouse. So it's bound to happen. We do have another one next to it, so probably get that one checked up too. That one hasn't had any issues. I've never had to service it, but like I said, they're a good customer of mine, so I want to make sure that they're taken care of. So we'll go ahead and remove that, and we'll run a cycle from there. See, go ahead and blast this condenser up. So got the condenser cleaned out, and got the ice machine base partially cleaned out due to the fact that I can't get in there and deep clean the base. However, you know, we got the important part out of the way, nice and clean. Evaporator's looking okay, but yeah, we'd have to come back and do a full PM on this unit, make sure it's running clean. And you know, like I said, it's in an area where you can't fight it, you can't do anything about it. There's just dust non-stop coming from the outside, so it's just something that they have to deal with, you know, unless they put it in a closed location, but I doubt that's ever happening. So yeah, let's put it all back together and then start her up, go from there. Okay, so we've got everything hooked up back the way it was. Going to run it and wait for it to make a batch of ice, and then get an update there.